Easily sign up for a free trial and start exploring CalSoft CRM features instantly. Set up your account, add your team, and experience the full CRM workflow before subscribing. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Fill the details, click, and try for free. The OTP will be sent to the registered CRM number and click on Verify button. Step 2. Click on Sign in with Google. Click on your email. Click on Continue. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Your credentials will display. Click on Next. Click on Save. Your trial user has been created successfully.